Take 3.
Hi, I'm Barb Green. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Nilla Wafer Crust. First thing I'm going to do is turn the heat on my oven to 350. I'm going to spray with some non-stick spray an 8 or a 9-inch pie dish. This one's 8.5 right in the middle. This is the star of the show. I have 60 wafers in this bowl. Yes, I counted them. If you don't have a food processor, I'm going to just show you. This is what I've done for years and years and years. You place your Nilla wafers into a Ziploc bag. Make sure that it's zipped so nothing comes out because you get kind of aggressive with it. What you want to do is reduce these to crumbs. You can use a wooden spoon, you can use a rolling pin, you can use a small hammer. I've used all of the above. Once you have your crumbs, then you can move on to the next step. I'm going to use my food processor. Just going to pour these in here. Whoopsie. And I'm just going to pulse it until I see crumbs forming. Now we're going to pour these crumbs into a dish. I'm just going to pour those in there. We need 1 3/4 cups of crumbs, which is 170 grams. See how nice that is? Look at that texture. I just want to show you. This is very fine little grains. So if you're working with a rolling pin or a hammer, you want to get to that consistency, and it's very doable. I have done this many times. Put that in there. Okay, and there's our 3/4 cup. You want to add a 1/4 cup of sugar, which is 50 grams. Stir that around just a bit. Then we're going to add melted butter. This is 8 tablespoons or 113.4 grams. I'm going to stir that around until this whole mixture is moistened. Just want to make sure it's all nice and moist. We're going to pour this into our prepared pie dish. So next we want to press this mixture into the pie dish. And I'm actually going to use a measuring cup. You can use any kind of cup like this. You want to work with the sides first. Use your finger so that it goes up the same height the whole way around. I'm doing this twice. Once you get it in the shape that you want it, I'm pressing kind of firmly, because you don't want it to fall apart when you cut it. You want it to be as firm as possible. Now we're going to do the bottom. Same thing. We're just pushing, pressing this down. So there, that's what it looks like. It smells really good. I'm going to go ahead and pop this in the oven for about 8 minutes at 350. So this has been in the oven for about 10 minutes. I gave it a little bit of extra time. Every single oven is going to be different in how it heats. What we're looking for is some golden brown, and you'll actually see the butter kind of bubbling and hear it bubbling a little bit. And that's what we're looking for. That looks really, really nice. Now we just need that to cool. Before you add any filling to this, you'll want to go ahead and just Let it cool. I would even recommend putting it in the refrigerator just to solidify it so that when you cut it, it doesn't just crumble and fall apart. So I hope you see how easy this was to make. It's a nice alternative to the standard pie crust, and it's so quick and easy, only a few ingredients. This would go really amazing with different cream fillings. One would be chocolate. I would recommend you check out my banana cream recipe. I have a link here for that. I hope to see you there.